Students, in this video we are going to discuss the term terminating and non-terminating repeating decimals. Means what? Terminating means what? Terminate. How? What is the meaning of terminate? Okay, terminate means to make it zero or finish it or run, make it into the dust. Okay, just simply understand with the help of examples that when you are going to find the remainder 0, it is terminating, and when you are not going to find the remainder 0, it is non-terminating, and sometime it is also repeating. Okay, what are the basic terms? First we will talk about the terminating term. Suppose I am taking the example of terminating decimal. Okay, terminating decimal. Suppose I am taking the example 0.5, 0.75. Okay, so we will check it that these are terminating or non-terminating. Okay, so first make it into a rational number. 0.5 will be converted by this way. This will also help you to remind how to convert a decimal number to a rational number. This will be 5 upon 10, and 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. This is 1 by 2. Again I am taking next example. So first we will check how 1 by 2 is terminating or not terminating. Okay, so if you are getting the remainder 0, if you are getting the remainder 0, okay, how? Just divide it to 1. Okay, 0 point, a point will allow you to increase 0 in each and every state. 2 5 is 10, 2 5 is 10. You have got the remainder 0 here in only one step, so it is a terminating term. Okay, it is a terminating term. So when you are having this type of questions, okay, this will belong to the terminating decimals. I am making you more understand. When this type of numbers that ends after certain number of non-zero digits, such decimals are called terminating decimals. Okay, so these are there are also some interesting facts about terminating terms. We will discuss after discussing the non-terminating term. Next, 0.75. We are going to take the example of 0.75. Again we are checking it. 0.75 upon 100. Why 100? Because two decimals are here. So this is what 75 upon 100. I am just taking it directly. 25 3 ja and 25 4 ja, 3 upon 4. Now this is another example and this is one another. Okay, so 4 divided by 3. Again 0 point, because 3 is less than 4, so that's why 4 7 ja 28. It will allow us to make increase 1 0. Okay, so 2 is here. Again 4 5 ja 20. Okay, what are you getting here? You are getting here remainder 0. So that's why it is terminating. So both are terminating. Both are terminating. So with the help of these, if you watch very clearly the denominator, see the denominator, it will be revealed in the secret will be revealed in the non-terminating term. And what is the secret? Secret is here. Just see here, it is in denominator, it is 2 here, in denominator it is 4 here. Another number is also there, we will talk about, and it will be more clear when you will see the example of non-terminating. So now taking next example of non-terminating. So moving to the non-terminating term. Checking whether these are the example of, just take example number 1, 1 upon 3, or you can say 2 by 11. Okay, so this is the example. Let's checking that these are coming in the non-terminating terms or terminating terms. Okay, so first of all we will divide it. First, taking first example, and what is that? 3 divided by 1 divided by 3. Okay, taking the decimal, it will increase 1 0 here. 3 3 ja 9. 1. Again 1 0 can be increased because one decimal is here. So 3 3 ja 9. Now see what happens here. Again 3 3 ja 9. 3 is repeating each and every time. So no need to divide it again and again. So that's why 1 upon 3 can be written as 0.3 bar. When we put a bar here, it shows repetition. It shows repetition. So if it is written 3 3 3 3 3, you can write it simply 3 one time and just put a bar. Suppose another number is repeating in this type of question, in this 0.25 25 25, then you can write it here 0.25 bar, because 25 is repeating. So this is repeating, not terminating. Okay, so you can say that it is non-terminating term. 1 by 3 is non-terminating term. Here in denominator, no 2 is here. Okay, no 2 is here. Okay, or you can say multiple of 2 is not here. Okay, again moving to the next example, 2 upon 11. 2 upon 11, what is the secret of this question? So 2 divided by 11, simply we will put a decimal here, and 11 2 ja 22, so that's why 11 1 ja 11 simply. Okay, 11 1 ja 11. And what is that? Again, what you are getting here, 9. 20 minus 11 is equal to 9. 0 will be increased here. 11 8 ja 88. What is remainder here? 2. Again you can make it 0 below. Again 11 1 ja 11. Okay, 9. Again we are getting 9. So no need to tell you that it is repeating again and again. 1 8 1 8 1 8 1 8, you will get each and every time. So no need to divide it, just write here 0.18 bar. Why? Because 1 8 is repeating each and every time. So it is non-terminating repeating, or it is also pronunciated as recurring. It is also pronunciated as recurring. It is recurring, non-terminating recurring. So this is the concept of terminating and non-terminating. First of all, we can check it directly how a number is terminating or non-terminating. I am going to reveal the secret. Suppose we are having a rational number in the form of p by q. It is terminating if the denominator term has either 2's or 5's. Okay, 2's or 5's, or combination of both, or combination of both. Okay, combination of both as the only prime factor, as the only prime factor, as the only prime factor. It is the main term, as the only prime factor. Okay, p by q will be our rational number in which denominator, or you can say q, is either 2's or 5. Means you are having at that place 2 or 5's, or combination of 2's 5's as the only prime factor, as the only prime factor. Okay, so this is the secret. Okay, and this will be checked when p by q is in lowest form. When p by q is in lowest form, remember it, it should be in its lowest form. You cannot directly. Okay, if it is in lowest form, then it will be the terminating one. Okay, terminating rational number. And when this type of any factor is not there, this type of any factor means q is not having 2's or 5's, or combination of 2's or 5. Okay, as these as the only prime factor, okay, except this another number is there, another prime factor is there, so that's why this will not be the terminating, this will be the recurring or repeating decimal, or you can say non-terminating. Okay, so this is the secret by which you can easily understand, by you can inspect directly just making the rational number in its lowest form. So I hope you have understood these terms. Okay, so thanks for watching.